Ito na ang pinaka-aabang-abangan ng lahat. Pinadalhan tayo ng Gem Perfumery. Thank you so much, Gem Perfumery, sa pagpapadala ng mga pabango. And ito, by the way, this is just an unboxing video and kahit hindi pa ako nagbubukas, ang bango na agad ng parcel. Let's go! So, ayun, meron tayong 3 pabango and then 2 decants. Okay? So, buksan muna natin ito. Actually, sobrang diin niya talaga. Nung una ko siya ngayon, ganito ba talaga kapag premium yung packaging? Vogue! Yung unang-una is Bloodstone ng Gem Perfumery, which is yung kanilang Eros Flame. So, yeah. By the way, this is just initial review muna. Wala munang full review, unboxing, and then initial impressions muna. Like, first impressions, kung gaano kabango ba talaga ang mga pabango ng Gem Perfumery. Woo! Ganda ng atomizer, men! Umuulan! Colin! Ang ganda ng... Men, yung Eros Flame nila, hindi maasim. Eros Flame, wait lang, wala pala munang review. But yeah, ang ganda nito, men. Next one is Primavera. Primavera ng Gem Perfumery, which is yung kanilang Dior Homme Intense. Okay? Paulanin muna natin, no? Woohoo! Ay, ito pala. Ooh. First impressions muna. Ooh. Next is yung sikat na sikat nilang pabango, which is yung Chrome ng Gem Perfumery. Let's go. Ooh! Ooh! This one is sexy. I get the hype. I get the hype talaga. And then, eto naman is yung kanilang Aquamarine, which is yung Imagination. Imagination nila to. Well, you all know naman na hindi ako masyadong liker. Hindi ko masyadong trip si Imagination, but maybe magbago dito. Okay. Okay. Maganda yung opening niya. I like the opening. Okay. Okay, I like the opening, pero hindi ko alam yung dry down, but this is just the first impression na walang commission, walang basket, walang promotion, just pure satisfaction. Okay. And this one is their unreleased perfume na ire-release pa lang. Secret muna, but let's try. Uy! Ang bango! Uy! The last one definitely is the best. I don't know why, but this is the best. Okay, baka nag-try down na yung iba, no? Oh, sarap. Sarap na ito, hindi siya maasim. Woo! Okay, okay. Nasos. Okay. 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 Pero yung last one is my favorite. Hintayin nyo na lang yung mga full review ko. Ite-testing ko muna sila, but definitely, thank you so much! Sobrang worth it ng Gem Perfumery. So far, yung first impressions ko, napaka-goods na goods, and hindi ako nabigo. Talagang hindi ako nabigo, napakabango lahat. Wala talaga tong, hindi ako bias. Talaga, porke pinadalhan, bias, no. Sasabihin ko kung mabaho or hindi, but definitely, lahat ng mga na-try ko, even yung Imagination na hindi ako fan, nagbago yung... Basta, let's go. Thank you so much, Gem Perfumery.